Well, I came out here. I wanted to show you guys how much we'd cleaned up this bench, but it's got one of my more later projects on it going as we speak. So, although I got all that other junk off there, I'm waiting for some parts to be made for our next project here, but that's what you're seeing. But now we have a decent work area. Now I think I got it rolling. So everything we used to have on the table there, we've now found a new home right here, if I can point in the right spot. And there you have it. Just to go along with our multi-tool toolboxes here, this is our main shop toolbox. So as you can see, all the screwdrivers are laid out. We've got all this closed end open wrenches, all the hex keys. Although people don't like to put the hex keys away, I wish they would. Nut drivers, etc. Just taking a look at the bottom here. We've got all sorts of odds and ends, all duly marked and located.